Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Today I have cute summer cards to share with you, so let's get started. So here I have die cut sheets by designer Lucy Cromwell, and I love Lucy Cromwell. She's got beautiful imagery. So first up is this A4 glitter decoupage sheet. A4 is almost 8.5 by 11. So this is a double pack and it has 4 different images. We have this beautiful summer dress, the perfume bottle, we have beautiful flowers and another summer dress. And I made this card and used some of my background papers, but look how beautiful this dress came out, the way it is layered. And of course these sheets also have sentiments that you can use, and here it is. I thought this is a beautiful card, and I put a little a little embellishment, extra art inside the card. These cards that have these beautiful borders I have in my shop, and I will link them below. And this is my first card. The next card I have created is the one with the perfume bottle, and this card comes from a card pack with those beautiful envelopes. I'm gonna link it in the box below. It's a 6x6 card. It comes in a 12 pack with 6 different cards, 2 each, and they all come with this beautiful polka dotted envelope designed with the roses, and then also some lace here. So beautiful. Now for my card, I used this blank and then a little bit of extra paper, really not much, just a scrap, some glitter border and a sentiment, and the embellishment makes it all. So this is my second card, but in this series you have all kinds of different embellishment sheets. Here we have like a home one, has some kitchen items, a beautiful bouquet. Look at that. So look at the sink here with the flowers. So you could make great cards for maybe a new home. Here's even the new home sentiment. Then the other one has also toppers. Check those out. Here's another dress, shopping bags and shoes, and then the last one here has some garden scenery. This would make a great retirement card. Yeah, I love the imagery that Lucy Cromwell does. So those are my first 2 cards from those die cut sheets, and let's see what is next. And here I picked 2 more die cut sheets. This one here is called Vintage Flowers. This is Janine's art, and it has roses and butterflies, 3 embellishments to the sheet. This one here is also Janine's art, and it's called With Sympathy. So yes, for sure you can make sympathy cards, but of course since these embellishments are so versatile, you can make birthday cards, get well cards, thank you cards with those as well. Look at this beautiful butterfly. So again, each sheet has 3 images that you can layer. And here are my sample cards. I used this sheet. So first, of course, is the embellishment right here in the upper right hand corner. And check out how beautiful this card came out. Very elegant. Again, I used some of my stash for background paper, layered it with the embellishment, and there's the card. Card number 2 is made from this image, and these cards, I really do them in minutes. These are quick cards. Immediately you see what you're creating. You can use up all your paper, which I have, of course, tons of paper that I would love to use, and it takes the most time it takes to just match papers with embellishments, but that's the fun part too. And I put a little border here, a glitter border, added a little bit of stickles and some washi here, some glitter washi. And this is my card number 2. And my last one for this sheet has this beautiful rose arrangement from up here. And I added again those water drops. I don't have those in my store. I like them, so let me know if you like them. I can get them. But I love these cards. They are so quick. And what I have decided, because I make so many cards and I don't quite know what to do with all of them, I will just make little packets with maybe 10 cards or so, all year-long cards, and then give them as gifts. So that way, you know, I have some use and people can use those cards all throughout the year, because I'm sure they love them. And then of course I send them out. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you like my cards. If so, please give me a thumbs up, and a comment is always appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. And also join us on Facebook at the European Papercrafts Friends group. I always upload all my designs and cards, but also we have our members that show their crafts. So it's a fun group. Please come and join us. For today, that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.